Once you connect from here, you connect to the public. Minimum, everybody should just close. And you can get the house also. I'll coordinate. Yeah, basically we have come to inspect the oxygen plant that is being set up here. This is the one that has been provided by UNDP funding. There will be 3 locations: Jylla, Nongpoh and Ri-Bhoi. As I mentioned about 3-4 days back, that within a few days this center should be up. So we have received the equipments that have come in and the installation is going on as we speak. Now we just need to do the internal wiring, and we need to do the internal internal piping of the buildings have to be done. So that will take a bit of time. We hope and expect that by early next week this particular plant will be functional. At the same time, we have just had discussion regarding the MCH out here in the district, in Umran. And we are in touch with the Tata Trust, where they have committed that they will be giving the oxygen plant there. So we will be setting up another COVID base in the MCH hospital. And therefore, we need to be prepared so that if in any situation cases continue to rise, then we will need the required infrastructure. And of course, Ri-Bhoi being very close to the Assam border and being the entry point and having a large industrial and other central government bases is an area which is very vulnerable. So therefore we need to be ready with all eventuality, and therefore on war footing these works are going on. So the Honorable MLA and the Deputy Commissioner along with the Superintendent, we are all here to overall see the work that's going on. We are satisfied, but of course we need to speed up the work. So we have just told the contractor to try to finish it.